Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, green, and light orange. This drawing is 22 squares tall and 19 squares wide. Let's start with the black color. Skip 4 squares from top to bottom. On the square number 5, mark 6 squares vertically. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. On this line, count 2 squares from top to bottom, then mark 1 square to the right. Above and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Above and to the right, mark 1. Above and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 7 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 1. Below and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Below and to the right, mark 1. Above and to the right, mark 1. Downward, mark 5 vertically. Below and to the left, mark 2 horizontally. From this square, mark 2 horizontally downward. Below and to the left, mark 1. Below and to the left, mark 2 horizontally. From this square, mark 2 horizontally downward. Below and to the right, mark 1. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Below and to the right, mark 5 horizontally. From this square, mark 4 vertically downward. From this square, mark 2 horizontally to the right. Below and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Below and to the right, mark 3 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square, mark 1 to the left. Below and to the left, mark 2 horizontally. Here, mark 1. From this square, mark 4 horizontally to the right. From this square, mark 1 upward. Above and to the right, mark 2 diagonally. Below and to the right, mark 1. Below and to the right, mark 2 vertically. Below and to the right, mark 1. Below and to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square, mark 2 vertically downward to the left. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Mark 1 here. Mark 4 vertically here. From this square, mark 5 horizontally to the left. Mark 1 here. Mark 2 vertically here. From this square, skip 2 squares downward and mark 3 horizontally. From this square, mark 3 vertically downward to the left. From this square, mark 4 vertically to the right. Above and to the right, mark 2 vertically. From this square, mark 3 vertically downward to the right. From this square, mark 4 vertically to the left. Above and to the left, mark 2 vertically. From this square, mark 1 to the right. On this line, count 2 squares from top to bottom, then mark 3 horizontally to the right. From this square, mark 3 horizontally to the right. On this line, count 2 squares from left to right, then mark 1 upward. From this square, mark 1 downward. From this square, mark 1 downward. Now let's color in all the squares we marked. Join the Pixelados Club. All you need to do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell and you're in. We're also going to paint all the hair areas. Next, using the green color, mark 3 squares vertical here. On the line to the right, mark these 2 vertically. Here, mark 3 horizontally. Above and to the right, mark 1. Mark 1 here. Mark 1 here too. Mark this one as well. Below and to the right, mark 4 horizontally. On the line above, mark these 2 horizontally. Mark 2 vertically here. And now let's color all these areas. Finally, using the light orange, from this square mark 1 to the left. Below and to the left, mark 2 horizontally. From this square, mark 1 to the right. Below and to the right, mark 2 horizontally. Now color all these parts. In the top corner, you'll find the link to my pixel art channel in Spanish, where you can find many more designs and all the videos are subtitled. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for joining me in a new video. Sending you a big kiss and a giant hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!